Okay, so in this video I'll show you how to create a course. It is not difficult, it is easy. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do once you log into your WordPress dashboard is to go to product here, because you want to sell a product now. Okay, so click on add new. So click on add new product, then you can give it a name. For instance, say product name. Okay, product name. Then you simply come here, you come down, put the price, regular price 25k, then not your sale price, you can say maybe 7,000 naira. Okay, then you come down, you give it an image. Okay, because it's very important. Give it an image. Then once you have done that, ignore the rest, ignore all these things. It depends on you. You can ignore these things. If it depends on what you want, you can come here. For instance, as the platform grows, these options expand, so that you can add some things here. For instance, you have an affiliate program now, you can select something here and say, okay, link this product to a particular affiliate, or different things you can do here. Okay, so then the next thing, you can select a category, you can add tags for your SEO and all that. Then click on publish. Just ignore this. All right, click on publish. Now, okay, let me give it a different name, because okay, product, let me give it niche blogging profit, for instance. Okay, so let me update. So let me update. So now the next thing to do, just go to Tutor LMS. All right, click on courses, then click on add new. All right, then you can say niche blogging profit. Okay, so select a category here if you want, add tags if you want for SEO, then add your description here. You can give it, maybe the ultimate blogging course, for instance. All right, then learn how to make $1,000 per month. Okay, you can also bold, just like your normal Microsoft stuff. All right, you can come here, you can add an image here. Okay, you can come an image. Okay, you can resize the image, you can make it, align it to center, you can make it large, medium, large, full size. All right, let me make it large. Then click on update. Then you can continue your writing. This is all you need. Okay, so for instance, all right, so now then the next thing to do, all this, for instance, you want to have just 100 students, you can put it here. Okay, if you want it to expire, that is once they enroll, after a month the course expires and vanishes from their account, you can put it here. Then select your level, all levels, beginner, intermediate, experts. So let's just say all levels. Okay, then select a product now. Okay, so you can come here, niche blogging profit, then select paid, because obviously it's a paid product. Okay, then the next thing to do, come here, select an image, because that image is important to appear on the course description page. Right, then course duration, you can put anytime here, maybe 2 hours. Then benefit of the course, write them here. Benefit 1, benefit 2, like so. Requirement, write them their computer, anything you want them to have before they can take the course, computer, internet, like that. The target audience, you can write anything here. You can say working class, employees, like so, Apple marketers, like so. Right, the materials included, you can say videos, PDFs, for instance, templates, for instance. Okay, graphics. Right, then if you have an intro, you can come here, select the intro. That is the intro you want people to see before they buy the course. Maybe that intro is for your proof, for your earning proof and all that. You can put them there. Then you can also come here, select a certificate. If you don't want certificates, you can just leave it, okay? But you just select anyone there. All right. Then, as you can see, we are almost done. Scroll back up. All right. Then come to add new topic. You can come here to make it easy. Just come here. Just write the name of the course. You can say niche, or you can say access course materials. Right. To make it easy for you. Then click on add topic. Okay. Then the next thing to do, once you have added the topic, now inside the topic you need to add lessons inside the topic. Okay. Now come here. You can click on add lesson. Then say video 1, for instance. You can say video 1, how to buy a hosting account. All right. How to buy a hosting account. You can put it there. You can leave some text here if you want. You can say use this link to buy a hosting account. Okay, maybe affiliate link. All right, you can put it there. Then video source, use YouTube, mostly YouTube, Vimeo. All right, use those two. That one you sent me, it didn't work. All right, it didn't work. So use YouTube or Vimeo. All right. So then, or maybe other external link that works, that can work. All right, but the one you sent me didn't work. Right. So let's select the YouTube video. Then click on update lesson. Once you click on update lesson, you can come again, lesson, can add, you can say video 2, how to design a logo. Okay, you can put it there. You can put any information here. Just do this. Okay, so I'm not in a comfortable place now. That's why I'm a bit rushing the video. Okay, then click on YouTube. Then put the link there again. All right. Then click on update. Once you have entered all the lessons, you can also add different topics. For instance, it works like this: topic lessons. For instance, you have module 1. You can say module 1. Then module 1 has 2 videos, video 1, video 2. You can come again, add new topic. You can say module 2. All right, you can see. Then add topic. Then you can, under module 2, you can click like this. Then add lesson inside module 2. You can say module 2. You can say video 1. All right, just like that. Okay, just like that. So it's not difficult. So that is how you add the topic, the lessons, topic and lessons. Then once you are done, click on publish. Now the course has been published, right, for purchase. So once you view the course, now you'll see to appear like this. This is the intro, which is the course preview. All right, what you can see about the course before they buy. Okay, so scale to 100. It appears like this. If you want me to do some customization, I can do it for you. Okay, don't worry, I can do it for you. Anything, if you want me to even do like my design for you, I'll do it for you. My phone is ringing. Sorry. Okay, so that's just the way it is. So if you have as you can see, this was the description we did. You can see they are appearing here. So just customize the way you want. You can see module 2, video 1, just like so. This how to access the course. Right? Because me, I'm an admin now, so I can access everything. So if you don't like this particular style I use for you, you can let me know, because this was the one I used for myself before. I advance every now and then. So if you want me to do something else for you, let me know. All right. So that's just it. But this is good. But me, I'm a funnel designer, so I can be crazy at times. All right. So let me know if this was helpful enough. If it was not, I can also do another one for you. Okay. So one love, boss.